Well, Twitter as we know it is gone. Elon Musk is making big moves with Twitter and pushing towards his ultimate goal for X.com, basically creating his own digital world that we will all be using, for banking needs, for social media needs, our everyday digital lives. Elon Musk would love to be happening everything on X.com. So for those of you who are waking up to this Monday morning, he's planning on rebranding Twitter to X. Just that letter, single letter, on Monday. There's a lot of other changes as well. But perhaps one of the most concerning was an interview where he described basically he could see the future of X.com as the home to up to, if not more or less than half of the world's financial system, basically half of the global economic activity to be occurring on X.com, obviously harnessing this trend in meshing Web3, online activities, payments, and cryptocurrencies. And rightfully so, there's a lot of people who have concerns, especially when you're talking about social media and social behavior engineering, and terms of payments and how that can be controlled. It can get a little Orwellian and a little, like the Chinese have their social credit system. That's a real thing. And to layer onto that again, your financials is a bit risky. Let me know what you guys think of this rebranding of Twitter, of what Elon is planning to do with it. How are you optimistic about it? Do you think that those who are concerned are just conspiracy theorists? Let me know in the comments. Ironically, another coin called X token, which has nothing to do with Elon, Twitter, or X.com, actually pumped 1,800% because of a happy coincidence of their name. So congratulations to anyone who might have bought that token and held it, and hopefully there's some liquidity there for you to take some profits if it's possible. But it's kind of funny when these things happen. Also, talking about cryptocurrencies that have been pumping, a recent coin that's now on exchanges, Worldcoin. This is brought to us by Sam Altman. He also gave us OpenAI and ChatGPT. He started Worldcoin. I remember talking about this a few years ago when this idea was first kind of floated out into the crypto space, where you could go to these specific locations around the world and basically have your iris scanned for verifying your identity in the most unique and, in my opinion, intimate way. And in exchange, you would get airdropped some WLD tokens, Worldcoin tokens. And so now that has launched to over 2 million people have participated in this so far. But if you're a US citizen, you're not allowed, because in this rare occurrence, that country is maybe protecting their users' privacy through their, hate of cryptocurrencies. Thank you, Toby, for most updated information. Actually, Worldcoin is up 61%, and that's probably just going to grow, especially as the West is waking up this Monday morning. But Sam Altman, again, created Worldcoin in response to verifying your identity online. Now, doing so with scanning of the iris has got a lot of people privacy focused, have some concerns, and rightfully so. Where is that information being stored? The usage of biometric data is something that I have always avoided at all costs, just because I just don't want that type of very sensitive, intimate, identifiable information on any kind of database to perhaps one day be used against me. And in my opinion, opting out always gives you the option to opt in if you were to ever change your mind. But if you were to just jump into these things willy-nilly, not really taking into consideration the future consequences, I think it's always safe to say how these things play out in the future, and if these databases are compromised, hacked, or forked over to governments because of national security or whatever reason they might give, especially again when we're talking about your activities with cryptocurrencies in particular, that could be a hairy situation. Again, let me know in the comments what you think about Worldcoin, if you're buying any on the exchanges, if you're speculating on the price, or if you're looking up where that location is so you can have your eyeball scanned and get yourself some World tokens that way. I don't know, it kind of it kind of sounds like a little bit of a bribe to get your biometric data, in my opinion, but AI is taking over. Is cryptocurrency going in that same route? We'll see. Thank you for watching. Just trying to keep you guys updated on the developments of crypto, the good, the bad, the ugly. This one might be slightly on the ugly side, but that's okay. Anyway, hit like and subscribe if you guys enjoy these updates. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.